Cleaning is very fun. It scares the crap out of that dog. Woo! You won't.
Come on, let him out, let him out.
Maxie! Come here!
Baby, why are you so scared of this thing?
He slipped on it. Come here, Bill. Come here. I'm sorry.
You're such a dysfunctional dog. Did you get that? No, I'm just steaming randomly.
I'm recording him right here. Stupid.
Alright, you're ready. You take this, Bryn.
It's still recording.
I'll get it. It goes. Does this look clean? Like no smudges anywhere?
No, it's fine.
Alright, go take it.
Dude, you got it?
He's scared of this too.
Come here, stupid plug.
Hi, Max. Hi, Max. Look, he's like, ugh. Ugh. Oh.
Dude, you bent it.
It was like that already.
How do you get it in?
You just shove it in.
Okay.
There he goes. All right, ready?
No. You have to press any button?
No, you just wait for it to go. It's like him with the crutches. Max. All right, hon. There you go. Yeah, basically that whole kitchen's basically cleaning these two rooms.
Maxie.
Max, why are you so afraid of it?
Is it unplugged?
No, it's fine. No, don't come in here.
Why?
We'll do that after we're done actually cleaning. Come on, Max. Max!
You're dysfunctional. It's also slippery in here.
Yeah. Alright, I'm done recording.